All right. Pipe down, Mr. FTSE 100. All your charts are moving slower than a Sunday roast. So, you were telling me before we started rolling, you've been, leveling up?
Uh-huh.
Getting your nose in some proper textbook stuff. CMT level 3. Sounds a bit long. Mate, allow it. It's not about reading for fun, isn't it? It's about figuring out what the governors are doing. The institutions, the whales,
Right.
the ones who actually move the needle. While you're out here punting on Shiba Inu rocket coin, the big boys are playing a completely different game.
Okay.
This is their playbook.
Oh, is it now? A playbook? Go on then. Enlighten me. What's this secret sauce that's going to stop me from getting liquidated at 3 a.m.?
Right. Don't just give me the textbook definition. Tell me how it works on the street. Simple. It starts with one line you probably ignore. VWAP. VWAP. Volume weighted average price. Bruh, that's on every free charting platform.
It's just another wiggly line. A glorified moving average, innit?
Nah, see, that's where you're wrong. That's the retail brain talking. For a professional desk, VWAP is everything.
Really?
It's their benchmark. Think of it like this. If a hedge fund manager has to buy 1 million shares of Apple, his boss is going to be on his case if he pays more than the day's VWAP.
Okay.
It's the fair price of the day weighted by actual volume. So if the market's trending above VWAP, the bulls are gassed and in control.
Right.
If it drops below, the bears are having a party and you don't want to be the one left paying for the drinks.
Okay, I hear that. It's a line in the sand, a power balance line. In crypto, it's the same.
Yeah.
If Bitcoin is grinding along and then smashes below the daily VWAP on heavy sell volume, you know the big CEX desks and the whales are dumping.
Yep.
It's a signal to not be a hero.
Exactly. It's context. But that's just level 1.
The next bit is where it gets proper interesting.
Volume profile.
Right. The horizontal bars on the side of the chart. Looks like a half-finished game of Tetris. What's the deal?
It's not a game, it's a map. It's the market's memory. Those volume bars at the bottom of your chart just tell you when people were trading.
Okay.
The volume profile tells you where they were trading. It shows you the exact price levels where the biggest fights happen.
Right. So a load of trades happen there. So what?
So what, Chris? That's where the institutions built their positions.
Ah.
That's where they loaded up or distributed their bags. And you better believe, if price comes back to that level, they are going to defend it with their lives.
Wow.
It becomes a concrete wall of support or resistance. You trying to short into a massive HVN is like trying to punch a brick wall.
Yeah.
You're just giving them your money for free.
Ah, so it's a do not touch zone. Or if it breaks, it's a massive deal. What about the empty bits then?
The gaps.
The gaps in the profile.
Oh, that's the golden ticket, my friend. Those are low volume nodes, LVNs. The quiet alleyways, that's where there was no argument.
Right.
The market just agreed to move price. When price enters an LVN, it slices through it, no friction. It's a vacuum.
Okay.
So if you see a breakout from a high volume zone into a low volume zone, that's a high probability trade because there's nothing to stop the move.
Okay, I'm with you now. VWAP tells you who's in charge.
Yep.
Volume profile shows you the battleground. You're not just trading blind anymore.
No.
You're trading based on where the big money is positioned.
Now you're getting it, but there's one more layer.
Go on.
The real granular MI5 level stuff. Order flow.
Ingredient.
Order flow, now you're speaking my language. That's watching the tape, the order book. That's my bread and butter in crypto.
Exactly.
Watching for 1,000 BTC sell wall to appear out of nowhere. Precisely. It's about spotting the footprints. Is someone aggressively hitting the ask, chewing through all the sell orders? That's a massive hungry buyer. Is the big getting smashed with massive sell market orders even though the price isn't tanking yet?
Right.
That's a big boy trying to get out without causing a scene. These are called iceberg orders. This is stuff you only see if you're looking at the tape. When you see a breakout on the chart and then you look at the order flow and see billions in aggressive buy orders coming in, that's not your mate Dave from the pub.
Right.
That's a pension fund.
So you're putting it all together. You wait for price to be on the right side of the VWAP.
Yep.
You identify a clean path through a low volume node on the profile.
Yep.
And then you pull the trigger only when you see the order flow confirming that the big boys are in the trade with you.
That's the holy trinity, mate. VWAP for direction, volume profile for key levels, and order flow for timing and conviction.
Okay.
It's how you stop gambling and start trading with an edge.
I have to say, Morgan, for a guy who still thinks cable is a good trade, that's actually pretty sharp. You've almost convinced me there's more to life than 100x leverage on meme coins.
Mate, allow it.
Almost.
Give it time, Chris. Even you can be taught. Now, you want to see how this played out on the last big BTC dump? Let's pull up that chart.
Hold up. We're running out of time. That was actually useful. My head hurts a bit, but it was useful. So, quick recap for the people at home. 1. What's the VWAP? The governor's price. Stay on the right side of it. 2. Use the volume profile to find the battleground and the clear path. Don't trade in the chop. 3. Follow the big footprints with order flow.
Yep.
Don't bet against the whale. Couldn't have said it better myself. It's about trading what's actually happening, not what you think should happen. Proper. All right, listen up, you lot. If you want to argue about this with me and this chart nerd, Morgan, come and have a laugh with us in the chat group. The link's down below, as always. And if you found any of this useful, the best way to say thanks is to sign up to our recommended crypto secs with our link. It costs you nothing and helps us keep the lights on. Yep. Hop in the chat. Let's see your P&L. Bold. All right, we're out. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about for next time. If you can see the institution's playbook, what's the one thing that can still blow up your trade? Let us know in the comments. Laters.